Osiptal mar rufaa ma Meru level 5 koro ni tochako tiyo kanyakla gi sekta ma giwegi e yawo kar timo nonro man gi lony manyasani e yor konyo fwenyo tuoche e yo mapiyo. Laktar maduong' mochung' ne osiptalno Joseph Wahome kinde mane yawo kar timo nonro no mar Pathcare nowacho ni riwruok margino gi sekta ma giwegi konyo fwenyo tuoche kaka kansa kendo konyo ji yudo thieth mapiyo kapok tuono landore. Meru osebedo gi midhiero mar tuo mar kansa ka jodak ikwayo mondo dhi otim nonro machon e yor fwenyo tuono kendo reso ngima mapiyo.
Why? When we have more partners coming in, especially in the private sector, our key thing is to help push down the costs. So the more we are having partners coming in various services, we'll be able to see the cost of rendering these services go down in terms of what we call just fair practice. And one of the key things about these many more partners coming in is also that Meru as a county is open arms in terms of partners who come in to partner with us in the healthcare sector. We do not limit, per se, who is coming in. As long as they're coming in with the correct structures, they're coming in with the correct standards for the healthcare system.
So one of the programs now we are working and we will be working with Dr. Wahome is early detection. How do we set up camps for actually screening? So there are certain ways of screening cancer. If you pick it up early, Dr. Wahome, they will not turn up in your hospitals, so the burden of the hospital will be less.
And I think if we were to leave the burden only to the public sector, to really offer all the services, I think we would miss the point. We as private sector players, for example, as Pathcare, we believe that there is a gap we can fulfill, not because the public sector is not able to do it, but like we said, and the director here also agrees with me, the private and public partnerships in healthcare can go a long way.